Hi all, welcome to Eduflare Academy. So we are dealing with the concept of development and its relationship with the learning. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. That is, which of the following characterizes the period of middle childhood? So the options are given there. Physical growth and development occur at a very rapid pace. Ability to think abstractly and the use of scientific reasoning develops. Children begin to think logically but concretely. Learning occurs primarily through sensory and motor activities. Here, the characteristics or features of middle childhood is asked here. It's related to Piaget theory of development. So you need to identify which among the following is the future or characteristics of middle childhood. Okay, so I give 10 seconds to analyze and find out the answer. Okay, it's a simple question, so let's look into the answer. So the correct answer is children begin to think logically but concretely. So it is a repeated question. We already discussed this question here. The Piaget theory of development here 7 to 12 years, that is concrete operational stage, which is also known as middle childhood stage. The logical thinking take place during this stage or this period or this age time. So this is a frequently asked question, that is characteristics related to middle childhood. So that is why I already told you Piaget theory of development is very important area. So the correct option is children begin to think logically but concretely. But why but concretely term? Because at this stage children cannot fully handle abstract ideas like justice, freedom or algebra. They need real physical objects or examples to understand concepts. So their logic works only with the things they can see, touch or directly experience. So that is why children begin to think logically but concretely during the middle childhood period. So these are the important areas in chapter 1. That is, first one is concept of development and characteristics and types of development. Concept of development, characteristics and types, difference between growth and development, stages of human development, relationship between learning and development. So these are the important areas come under chapter 1. So these are the most frequently asked MCQs from chapter 1. Okay, so I think you understand the questions and corresponding answers. Okay, thank you.